Alright.
Okay, we're going to be doing a demonstration on how to install a bandsaw tire. There's been many different ways out there using clamps, but they clamp from the top to the bottom and then pull. When you use these clamps, they stress the tire, causing them to crack and sometimes cut. We're going to show you a technique that without clamps, with a good helper, you'll be able to stretch this tire on in less than 5 seconds. Once this tire is stretched on, we'll walk you through the standards of applying the glue, which will help equalize the stretching. Now we're focusing on stretching the tire between our two hands, not the rest of the tire, which is going to follow right around the wheel so the tire will be installed. The tire is now installed. The higher tension is on the top of the tire. We have to equalize this stretching. In the past, we would take a dowel and go around this wheel several times to help equalize it. Because the glue that we use now, which is also a type of lubricant, we'll put the dowel underneath the tire. Now we will apply the epoxy or glue underneath here and slowly roll this dowel around. Each time applying more and more glue. This will be very messy. Make sure you cover your floor. Once you've gone around this tire all together, you'll reach in, lower it down carefully, taking careful that we do not let this tire slip off. The glue will be slippery, but because of that slip, it'll allow this tire to adjust. If you take your hand, just press down the tire, this will push out any air bubbles, also help equalize the stretch. And then we'll take wire ties or zip ties. So as it glues up, we're going to just put these on loose, not tight. This will keep the tire from slipping off. It'll just be enough to stop it should it try to crawl off on you. Have this tire centered. This will allow the glue to set up after 48 hours. You can remove these ties. You'll be ready to trim on each side and then grind your crown. We'll be adding other footage of this later on. We figured this would be a good quick step to help people install these tires without the risk of cutting them with clamps. Thank you.